Hey guys, it's Sterling W, and I got myself a kick scooter because I love electric scooters, but I don't like the weight of an electric scooter with the batteries and stuff. Not to mention, I didn't like changing out the batteries too. So I got myself a kick scooter because it's super lightweight, and I can just put this in my trunk, park, and go somewhere else fairly quickly without having to charge or use batteries or anything like that. It comes with very large wheels. These are 200 millimeter wheels, which means that it's much more stable than that of those tiny little wheels on the teenage scooters, and those other small kids kick scooters. It is a little larger, and it has even a brake lever in the front that pulls a rear brake in the back, as well as a step-on brake on the bottom too. It's metal on both sides, so it's actually very, very durable. Very stable too. This is all aluminum and also very stable. The platform is actually lower, and it has this really grippy platform. As you can see, my feet's really big, and it still fits on the platform, so they made it nice and wide for adults and teens. So very, very useful. The handle is actually really awesome too. It folds down and it's super compact. This is probably less than 10 pounds. And I could just basically go onto a train or bus, or even just throw this in my trunk or back seat. This is very convenient. It's better than even getting a folding bike, but of course it's not as fast. But the fact that it folds down so compactly and it's light, it makes it very, very useful. The handlebars also pull out and fold even more compact, and it comes with this little bungee cord that keeps it in place, as well as a place lock, like a little holder on the side too. It all is held by quick releases, which is nice, and so it's nice and stable. I did feel a little wobbly on the actual stem of it, but I think that's similar to the other kick scooters I had before, so it's pretty much normal. It's like the headset. Now, of course, this is pretty neat because this thing folds and is compact, really, really compact. So they had that little bungee cord so it doesn't get lost for your handles, and also has like 3 or 4 positions for the stem or the height, and also there's a kickstand, which is really, really convenient. So anyways, that's really about it. I'm very, very happy about this kick scooter because it's a lot more convenient than actually bringing my folding bike, which is like 25 pounds. This is more closer to like 10 pounds. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.